What's up? This is Ray. Welcome back. Hey, man, it feels like I haven't made a video in like a month. It's a lot of stuff going on in the world, as you know, a lot of stuff that may be depressing and hard to deal with. And I haven't made any videos because I feel like there's more important things in the world going on. And also I wanted to maybe talk a little bit about that in the beginning of this video. But when I talk about it, it kind of triggers something in me, a side of me that I don't want to bring out. So we're just going to keep it positive today. You know, so what I want to tell you is something really cool that happened to me that if you're a subscriber or a follower, you may be happy to see. Last year I made a video tutorial on how to shoot infrared film using Ilford SFX. I sent an email to Ilford to check it out, but big companies like that historically don't watch little YouTube channels like me. So I didn't expect them to respond, but actually 3 months later they found time to watch the video and read the email, and they loved the video so much they invited me to write an article in the Ilford Online magazine. When I saw that, I thought it was a joke. I thought I was being punked, because Ilford is a company that has a strong heritage. They've been around even before Kodak. It's a British company. That was so cool. But I took my time, put it together, because I know the subject of shooting infrared, and article came out, and I think I'm really proud of it. So I'm going to put a link actually to the original video tutorial up here somewhere, and in the description I'll put a link to my Ilford article. What's interesting about Ilford is they focus on black and white film. As far as I know, I don't think they've ever made color film. So they have such a vast amount of different types of black and white. You can kind of find something that suits whatever you're into. So yeah, definitely check that out. I think it's really cool that Ilford is featuring someone, a smaller creator like me, that may not have been noticed or seen otherwise. So yeah, but that is just a short update video I'm making today. I'm going to try to shoot a few more videos that I've been backlog on. I'm going to try to shoot them today. So if you see me wearing these same clothes in the next couple videos, don't trip. That's the reason. But yeah, so I plan on shooting one on how to develop black and white film, as well as a few tech items that I got recently. So yeah, stick around for that. But that's the end of this video for now. And as I always say, no matter what type of film you use, no matter what photos you take or what you do for your creativity in this time, until next time, as always, keep it real.